Hello again, everyone. Welcome to my third tutorial. Here I will be showing you how to download, install TeamSpeak, and connect to our TeamSpeak server, and more specifically, our own TeamSpeak channel. We'll start off in the stream channel, where you most likely are. The easiest way to start the download would be to scroll down to below the video in the description. Under the Farming Simulator server info, you will see a link for the TeamSpeak 3 download. Now this is not specific to the Farming Simulator server, it is just under this header. Click on this link and you will be redirected to the official TeamSpeak website where it will download, where you can start the download for the client from. You'll be faced with many different download options once you're on the web page. Choose according to your own operating system. I run Windows. I know I'm on a 64-bit client, so I would download the 64-bit version. If you are on a 32-bit version of Windows, you'll need to download the 32-bit client. If you're unsure what bit your Windows is, just download 32-bit. It works just fine. You have to agree to their licensing and terms of service. I'll ask you for a quick survey. Once you get through all of that, your download should commence. There it is. The TeamSpeak install client is usually quite small and will download very fast. We'll set it to open once the download has completed. It's an exe file, so it should start an installation wizard that you are seeing in front of you. You will agree to their terms of service. You have options to install for different users of the computer or just your current user. That's a personal preference call, so do what you will. The destination for the install, again, if you have a custom directory you'd like it in, this is where you'd select it. Otherwise, you can just leave that default. Where it's going to store the configuration for your user files and whatnot. I think it's best to store user-owned files instead of the installation folder, just in case something happens to it. You'll get an option to install Overwolf. It's a neat little piece of software that gives you an overlay inside of your games. So if you don't have two monitors, you can use TeamSpeak while in game, which is kind of cool. I'm going to go ahead and skip the install for Overwolf though. Alright, and that should take no time at all. Once it's all downloaded and installed, it'll give you the option to run it right away. So we'll have it running. We already did have it running. I've already had the program installed. So let's disconnect from this. We'll show you guys what it'll look like the first time you start up the application. You should have a window that looks something like this. From here, you're going to want to hit your Connections tab. Give you a drop-down menu. First option, Connect. As you can see, I have the server address saved here. If it's your first time using it, you'll need to type in the IP, ts3.ets2mp.com. Give yourself a nickname, obviously Sergeant Pepper. And you can see down here, I've actually set myself a default channel. So when I join the server, it'll automatically put me into the Sergeant Pepper channel, so I don't have to navigate and find it every time. You can choose to skip this step or put it in there if you would like. There is no server password. After you fill out those two or third optional fields, you'll click Connect. and it should connect you to the TeamSpeak server. Your window should now look something like this. If you didn't put in the specific channel connection, you will start off in the lobby. From here, you're going to have to scroll down the list of channels to find our specific one. There's a big header above our channel for broadcasting in Twitch, so it makes it nice and easy to find. See the Sgt. Pepper channel. If you are a regular TeamSpeak user, you double click on this, you're going to get asked for a password. The password is Pepper in all lower cases. All the information about this can be found in the chat and on our Steam community. Once you've done that, then you are successfully connected to the TeamSpeak and channel. Should be all set to go. If you need help, you will see that you have a little text chat down at the bottom of your window here. You can type in there and ask people for help if you need anything. Hopefully that was useful to you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with another tutorial for how to download Farming Simulator 15 mods and how to connect to the server.